guys, and I'm back with yet another story time because my life is traumatic as shit and मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ कांड होता रहता है. So I just remembered this very interesting incident which happened to me around you can say 3 months 4 months ago, right? मतलब इस कहानी में ना यू वॉन्ट रियली बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इसमें कौन सच बोल रहा है और कौन झूठ बोल रहा है, क्योंकि जब मैं ही नहीं आज तक समझ पाई तो क्या. एंड हाउ डज दिस हेयर स्टाइल लुक बाय द वे. Like my friend made it at school today क्योंकि मुझे बनानी नहीं आती and I have short hair, so these braids I feel look a little weird, but since my friend made it, I'm still gonna wear it like a crown. Okay, and anyway, so let us begin with the story without wasting any more of your time. Now this story practically has four main characters. I mean, a lot of people are involved, but you can say four are the main ones just to keep it a little simple, right? So we have Rose, we have Daisy, we have this girl, let's name her Aloe Vera. So we have Aloe Vera, and then we have this other girl, let's just call her Dandelion. Okay, so we have Rose, Daisy, Aloe Vera, and Dandelion. Now, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी previous story times देखी होंगी, then you must know that me and Rose are best friends, and you must also know that me and Daisy, we used to be friends back in like 7th grade, but to be very frank, I don't really like her, and me and Rose, we both don't really like Daisy that much, right? And I don't think that Daisy likes us either. Well, I'm not really sure about it, but I don't think that she likes us either, right? So Aloe Vera is somebody who was in my class, and Aloe Vera is somebody who I consider to be like a pretty good friend of mine. So that's basically it. Now you're going to find out later how. Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it. And then what was the other name? Yeah, Dandelion. Dandelion is someone who I didn't really get a good vibe from, and after this whole this whole drama, I realized that nah, I don't really like her like at all. Okay, so that's Dandelion. And for the record, Dandelion and I go to school by the same bus. Okay, so keep that in mind too. Now let us begin. So as I said, Rose and I, we both don't really like Daisy, and Daisy doesn't really like us. And you know, there are like a huge variety of reasons for it, but it's mostly that हमारी vibe match नहीं होती, and we're pretty much the opposites. And हमारे एक दो scene हो चुके हैं like बहुत बचपन में, right? So we both like don't really like each other. Now one day, Rose just comes up to me and she's like, "Yeah, Vibha, I don't know what's Daisy's problem, but Daisy has been giving me a lot of eye rolls in like school ke corridors and whenever they see each other, right?" And I was like, "So she just gives you an eye roll for no reason?" She was like, "I don't know, maybe like she's annoyed by me, or maybe she doesn't like me, or I don't know what the reason is. But like whenever she would like pass by me in like the corridor, she would, you know, either she would make some kind of sound effect, or she would give me like a judgy look, or she would just give me an eye roll, and mostly she just gave eye rolls, like, and she just said that Daisy would do stuff like that for no reason, and it's getting like pretty annoying." So I was like, okay, fine, makes sense, whatever, I don't really care, right? Who cares about Daisy? I don't care about Daisy. So after you can say like till about a week, Rose complained about Daisy to me every single day, practically every day. And it's like not only me, a lot of my friends knew what Daisy was doing, and those a lot of friends also included Aloe Vera, right? So Aloe Vera, like Rose also mentioned in front of Aloe Vera that Daisy would do stuff like that. And Aloe Vera is somebody who is also friends with Daisy and who was also friends with us, right? But she was like really good friends with Daisy. I didn't know that she was best friends with Daisy at that time. I didn't know that, but yeah, she was really good friends with Daisy as well. But like when Rose mentioned that Daisy is doing stuff like that, and Daisy just gives weird, you can say, looks to her, then Aloe Vera simply just said कि अरे वो तो ऐसे ही करती है, तू उसे छोड़, तू उसे इग्नोर कर. Keep that in mind. She said that. She never disagreed ki nahi, Daisy doesn't do that. She never said ki no, Daisy doesn't mean it that way. She never said anything like that. She literally agreed and she said ki yeah, you just ignore her, she does stuff like that. Okay, keep that in mind. That's gonna be important later. Now fast forward to like 3 days later. I am just, you know, going like downstairs towards my class, and I see Aloe Vera and Daisy just laughing together and, you know, being all close and girly and all of that. And it sort of annoyed me because I was just thinking ki yaar, on one hand aloe vera, like in class she's agreeing with Rose and she's saying stuff like yeah you should ignore Daisy, and on the other hand she's just like laughing and all with Daisy, right? I knew that they were friends, but I didn't know that they were like really good friends or something. So it sort of got me off guard, and I didn't really like Daisy anyways, because one thing about me is I'm like a really protective person, okay? Like especially towards my friends, especially towards my best friend. I am so protective. Oh my god, you have no idea. Okay, like being protective is my love language. And when I saw Daisy, I was like really mad about the shit she was doing to Rose, right? And Rose would just every single day, practically every single day, complain to us that Daisy is doing stuff like that. So while I was just walking and I saw them like hanging out, it annoyed me to the core. And then I accidentally made eye contact with Daisy. Okay. Now here some people might say that I'm in the wrong, but I gave an eye roll to Daisy that day. And this eye roll started this huge drama. Oh my god, I'll get into it. So I gave Daisy an eye roll, considering, like, from my point of view, I was considering that she does the same to my best friend all the damn time. And not only that, she even makes like ew and those kinds of, you can say, sound effects for some reason, and passes comments like that. I don't know, I'm loving my hair and I'm loving doing this is so cute. Yeah. So, considering that, I gave her an eye roll too, and I didn't think of it as like a really big deal. I just saw it as like an eye for an eye, right? And I gave it to them, they both just laughed at me, and then they just moved on. And I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. Like, they don't care, I don't care, yeah, fine. And then the day went on pretty normally. And now this is like during the dispersal or departure time, when we were going from our classrooms to our buses, vans, and whatever, right? So जब छुट्टी हो गई थी, ये तब की बात है. So now I and another friend of mine, we were just walking towards our buses. And oh my god, this is where it gets interesting. Daisy marches up to me. She doesn't walk, like she doesn't just come to me. She comes like this. And then she just marches up to me and she's like, तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम है मुझसे? बता, बता, नहीं कोई क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम है? बता ना क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बता. And she repeated that, तुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बता क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Like, I don't know, probably 20 to 25 times, not less than that. She was like, क्या प्रॉब्लम? Like, she wasn't even letting me speak. She just kept asking and asking and asking, and she was just coming like this and I was going like this, right? And then after finally she paused, I was like, तू बता ना तुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? You're the one who gives eye roll to Rose, right? You're the one who started it. And she just goes like, I have no idea what you're talking about. I never did that to Rose. Okay. Now here's where the situation is. Now in this scenario, either Rose is lying about Daisy giving her looks, or Daisy is lying about whatever she's saying to defend herself, right? And now me, considering that I've known Rose since how many years? It has been 4 years since I have been best friends with Rose, right? So of course I'm gonna believe Rose. Like, just that just makes sense, right? So I just believe Rose, and I'm like, no, you're lying, and you do all of that shit to Rose, and that is why I did that to you, and this and that, and blah blah. And now, for the record, this whole time Daisy is with Dandelion. You remember I mentioned Dandelion, who is also in my bus and who was also with Daisy at that time. And she's also best friends with Daisy. That also I found out that day only. I had no idea that all of these people are best friends with Daisy, right? And now Daisy shuts up for a little bit, and Dandelion starts screaming at me. And Dandelion is like, what's your problem? She did nothing, okay? Daisy would never do anything like that. Daisy doesn't even care about Rose, let alone do all of that shit to Rose, right? And to be very honest, I did think for like for 1 second I did doubt Rose a little bit, but then I decided that no, I cannot do that right now. So I'm like, ki nahi, it's either you're lying or she's lying, and I'm obviously going to believe my best friend. So now the fight becomes about who among them is lying. And now the friend I was with, the friend just says the most, you can say, logical thing of the entire scenario. And he just says कि it's just an eye roll, तुम इसके बारे में क्यों लड़ रहे हो भाई? eye roll ही तो है, eye roll के ऊपर इतनी झगड़ा क्यों कर रहे हो? दे भी दिया तो ठीक है ना, क्या हो गया? He just says that. And Daisy loses it. Like, Daisy just, her finger, she points it towards my friend like this. She's like, "तू बीच में मत पड़, तू चुप रहे, तू बीच में मत पड़." See this, like, yeah, she just, my fingers are like that, by the way. Anyways, she just does this and she's like, "तू बीच में मत पड़, तू बीच में मत पड़, तू बीच में मत पड़, है ना, तू मत बोल कुछ." And she's just doing that. And she was screaming at him. Like, अभी तो मैं बोल रही हूँ. She was yelling like, "तू बीच में मत पड़." She's doing shit like that. And now I lost it because, as I said, I'm really protective, and up until the point she was like yelling, like screaming at me, I didn't give a shit. But now she's screaming at my friend, I do give a shit now. So the thing is, when I scream now, so my voice is so high pitched that when I scream, कानों के पर्दे फट जाते हैं, ठीक है. So I really raised my volume and I was like, मैंने क्या बोला था उसको, मेरे को याद नहीं है, बट आई जस्ट स्क्रीम्ड एंड देन मैंने उसको बहुत तेजी से सुनाया कि मैं चिल्ला के उसे कहती कि आवाज नीचे करके बात कर, आवाज चिल्ला मत, आवाज नीचे करके बात कर, मैं ये कर रही हूँ वहां पे. अब ये सब चल रहा है एंड देन मैं उससे कहती हूँ, अच्छा तो मतलब रोज झूठ बोल रही है, बता रोज झूठ बोल रही है. एंड शी हेजिटेट्स फॉर अ लिटिल एंड शी जस्ट शी जस्ट लाइक ये कर रही है वो, ठीक है. एंड शी जस्ट हेजिटेट्स एंड लाइक, बता झूठ बोल रही है. एंड आफ्टर लाइक 7 to 8 seconds of hesitations, she just goes like, हाँ वो झूठ बोल रही है. I was like, हट, मैं नहीं मान रही. Now while all of this was happening, I see aloe vera just passing by from the other direction, right? And I was like, okay, aloe vera ne class mein, she had agreed with Rose and she had said to Rose that it's okay, you ignore Daisy and blah and blah. So maybe aloe vera there can, take my side and be like, ki, yeah, you're the one lying, Daisy. So I call aloe vera over, है ना. So I just call her over and I was like, you come here, you remember that Rose had told you that Daisy gives her eye rolls, so have you seen Daisy give her eye rolls, just take my side. And aloe vera, now my entire argument would be completely based on what aloe vera says. Like, if aloe vera would have taken my side that day, then I would have won, right? But she didn't. And then she just goes like, नहीं मैंने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं सुना, नहीं मैंने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा. She completely switches her statement and that got me so dumbfounded, flabbergasted. I was just so I was so angry, okay. And I'm just staring at her in utter disbelief and I'm just thinking, how can she do that, right? Because now my entire argument is ruined. Now I just look like an idiot to all of them because nobody there was on my side. Even the friend I was with, he had no idea about this entire situation, right? So aloe vera completely switches her side, and now I shift my anger towards aloe vera. I was like, girl, you were agreeing in class, now what the hell happened to you? And she completely denies any involvement and then she just walks off. Then me and Daisy and क्या नाम था उसका, डैंडलाइन, वी जस्ट वी येल कि अबे तू चुप रहे, अरे तू ऐसी है, तू हमारी दोस्ती में आग लगाना चाह रही है, तूने पहले करा, ये करा, वो करा भी, अबे चल निकल, हाँ चल, मेरे को भी कोई बात करने का शौक नहीं है तो अबे तू निकल यहाँ से, निकल 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 करके हमारा अराउंड यू कैन से 8-10 मिनट और चला एंड ये चल निकल निकल करके हमारा खत्म हो गया उस दिन. अब मैं अपना, अब चल मेरा बहुत दिमाग खराब हो गया था, भाई तो मेरा पारा फूटने पे आ गया था, ठीक है. अब वो करके मैं जाती हूँ अपनी बस में, एंड बस में कीप इन माइंड डैंडलाइन इज इन माई बस, एंड डैंडलाइन शी वाज द होल टाइम शी वाज टेकिंग द साइड ऑफ डेजी, राइट? एंड आई डोंट रियली लाइक डैंडलाइन, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. So Dandelion was in my bus and then I just go to Dandelion. I was like, girl, just listen to my perspective one. And then I tell her everything, how Rose has been complaining and this and that and blah and blah. And then Dandelion just simply says, yeah, Vibha, you're really innocent and it's really easy to take advantage of you. And as your friend, I'm just informing you of the fact that रोज डबल एजेंट खेल रही है, रोज फेक फ्रेंड है, रोज तुझे फंसा रही है फालतू में. एंड फॉर द रिकॉर्ड, रोज हैड नो आइडिया दैट ऑल ऑफ दिस वाज गोइंग ऑन, ठीक है. तो अगर उसे फंसाना होता तो फंसाने के उस पर बहुत तरीके थे. ऐसे तो ये तो बिल्कुल ही कोइंसिडेंस हो गई ना. रोज को तो पता भी नहीं था मैंने डेजी को आई रोल दिया था. रोज डिड नॉट नो दैट. ये सारी बातें अब मैं रोज को अगले दिन बताऊंगी. रोज डिड नॉट नो दैट आई हैड डन ऑल ऑफ दिस शिट, राइट? तो इट वाज बेसिकली नो चांस कि रोज वाज लाइक intentionally trying to get me into trouble. But again, I'm really curious to hear your opinions, right? So I just say that that's not possible. I've known Rose for years and I blindly trust Rose. Like, दुनिया गलत हो सकती है but Rose गलत नहीं हो सकती. Yes, that is my utter level of trust in my best friend. So I'm just like, she cannot do that, and she's not being fake, and she's not being a liar, because she doesn't have a reason to lie. Like, it's not giving her any sort of advantage. Even if, let's say, even if she's trying to get me into trouble for no reason, usme bhi she didn't even know I was in trouble. Okay, so all of that happens, and then Dandelion, oh my god, Rose double agent खेल रही है, Rose fake friend है, Vibha as your, as your well wisher, I'm just telling you to be careful of her, do not believe her, she's lying. And I'm just like, yeah, she's not lying, and she's like, no, Daisy is the one telling the truth, and this and that, and ना हमारी इसी पे बहस चलती रही कि Rose सच बोल रही है, Daisy सच बोल रही है. And to be very frank, like, मतलब I still to this day I don't have any proof कि कौन सही बोल रहा था. I personally believe Rose though. I forgot to mention one thing. So she's convincing me that Rose is a fake friend, right? And I am trying to convince Dandelion that Aloe Vera is the fake one. In front of them, Aloe Vera took their side, but behind their back, Aloe Vera had taken our side, right? So I'm just saying that Aloe Vera is bad, and she's just saying Rose is bad, and all of that is happening. Now, fast forward to the next day. Again, during recess, during the lunch break, I'm just, roaming around, going forward with my day. And this time, Aloe Vera naam tha na? हाँ, Aloe Vera, she comes up barging to me and she's like, Vibha, तू trust की बातें करती है Vibha? तू trust की बातें करती है? And I'm like, and for 1 second, I was a little confused कि इसे क्या हो गया, because I had completely forgotten what I had said about her in the bus, right? So I was like, हाँ मैं ट्रस्ट की बातें करती हूँ मैं ट्रस्ट वर्दी, ठीक है. एंड शी इज लाइक, अच्छा और तूने मेरा ट्रस्ट छोड़ा है, उसका क्या? आई वाज लाइक, क्या हो गया? कहती, तूने जाकर डैंडलाइन को ये बोला कि मैं एक फेक फ्रेंड हूँ, कि मैं उनकी बैक पैचिंग करती हूँ, तूने ये बोला? आई वाज लाइक, हाँ क्योंकि तू करती है. एंड शी इज लाइक, अच्छा कब करी मैंने? मेरे को एक इंसिडेंट बता दे, तू मुझे एक इंसिडेंट बता दे मैंने कब करी. एंड जेन्युइनली ना, आई एम दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन. अगर कोई मेरे से पूछ रहा होता ना कि just tell me one time I did that, all my memory would be wiped and I wouldn't remember a single time they did that. But still, मैंने अपना थोड़ा सा दिमाग दौड़ाया and I was just like कि उस दिन you were agreeing with us in the class, but then that day you completely flipped over your statement and you said something completely different, right? And then she just was like, उसे back pitching नहीं कहते हैं. तो फिर किसे कहते हैं? उसी को तो कहते हैं. अगर वो genuinely उनकी दोस्त है, तो उसे हमारे सामने उन्हें डिफेंड करना चाहिए था ना. उसे ये कहना चाहिए था ना कि नहीं, डेज़ी डजंट डू शिट लाइक दैट, और कुछ भी ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था ना. तो और किसे कहते हैं? इसी को तो कहते हैं फेक फ्रेंड होना. इसी को तो कहते हैं कि मतलब या तो पता नहीं हमसे लड़ाई नहीं करना चाह रही थी इसलिए उसने नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हर साइकोलॉजी इज, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. एंड अब अगर वो लोग, अगर उनका ग्रुप इस चीज को फेक होना कंसिडर ही नहीं करता है, तो फिर तो यहाँ पे तो फिर आर्ग्यूमेंट ही खत्म हो गई ना, क्योंकि मैं तो उसी के बेसिस पे ही बोल रही हूँ ना कि अच्छी नहीं है. अगर इन्होंने उसी को एकदम ऐसे निग्लेक्ट कर दिया तो मेरे पास तो फिर कुछ बचा ही नहीं, ठीक है. एंड नाउ वहां पे देयर वाजंट जस्ट डैंडलाइन, डेजी एंड एलोवेरा. उनके अलावा भी देयर वर लाइक 2-3 मोर पीपल. सो दे वर अ ग्रुप ऑफ लाइक 7 to 8 पीपल एंड आई वाज देयर अलोन. नहीं 7-8 नहीं थे यार, 5-6 लोग थे वहां पे, बस 5-6 लोग थे. एंड आई वाज देयर अलोन. And now they were all teaming up over me, and now they're all like together, just तू ऐसी है कर रहे हैं. And I was there alone. I was trying to counter their argument, but yes, I was losing, because anything I say about aloe vera, anything I'm like कि तूने एक बार ये बोला था, उसे फेक होना नहीं कहते हैं. यही कर रहे थे वो पूरे टाइम, ठीक है. Then they just scream at me. And then Rose sees all of this happening, and then Rose just grabs my hand and she's like, these people are not worth it, and then she just takes me away from there, right? Now that happened. Again, I go to the bus, and again, Dandelion, she goes on and on, Rose fake hai, Rose is playing double agent, Rose is trying to, get you into trouble, she's doing this and that and blah and blah. And 3 days later, she goes on to send a follow request to Rose on Instagram. Huh? Like, if she thinks that Rose is so bad and so horrible of a person, then why is she sending her a follow request? I'm not on Instagram, so I don't know if this is normal or not. But personally, I don't really consider this as normal, right? That is not something good in my opinion. So that is pretty much the entire story, and I know that it doesn't really have like a very good and amazing see ending, but it's just that it leaves you like very questioning and ambiguous, like because you viewers, you are people who neither know Daisy, neither you know Rose, right? So you can give some very unbiased opinion on who you think is actually telling the truth. So what do you think? Just let me know in the comments, because I'm dying to know the opinions of other people, right? And other than that also, like Dandelion, she genuinely annoys me to the core. She's still in my bus. She doesn't let me speak. She just gossips and just says shit about people all the time. I don't really get into fights with her because there's not really a point. I do talk to her sometimes, but no, I don't really like her, and I know damn well that she doesn't like me either. So that's basically the entire story. So tell me, who do you think is telling the truth? Okay, so that is it for today. Bye bye. Love you all.